In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive folders in Outlook to free up space. If your Outlook mailbox is starting to feel cluttered or you're running low on storage, archiving is a simple way to clean things up without permanently deleting important emails. The idea is to move older items out of your main mailbox and save them in an archive file that you can still access later whenever you need it. To begin, open Outlook and make sure the program is fully loaded. Once you're in, go to the top left corner and click File. This opens the Account and Mailbox Management area, where you'll find several tools related to storage and cleanup. From there, click Tools. In that menu, choose Cleanup Mailbox. This section helps you manage the size of your mailbox and gives you options for moving older content out of your active folders. It's especially useful if you want to improve performance or stay under your mailbox size limit. Next, click Archive. This folder. At this point, Outlook will prompt you to choose exactly what you want to archive. Select the specific folder you want to move older items from. This could be something like your inbox, sent items, or another folder that has built up over time. Make sure you choose carefully, because this determines which content will be included in the archive. After selecting the folder, choose a date. This date is important because Outlook will archive items older than the date you set. For example, if you pick a certain month and year, anything older than that will be moved into the archive file. This is a good way to keep recent emails available in your main mailbox while storing older messages somewhere safe. Once that's set, choose where you want to save the archive file by clicking Browse. Pick a location that will be easy for you to remember and access later. If possible, save it somewhere organized, such as a dedicated Documents folder, so you don't lose track of it. You'll also be able to decide what to save through this process based on the folder and date you selected. When everything looks right, click OK. Outlook will then begin the archiving process. Depending on how many items are being moved, this may take a few moments. Once it's finished, you'll have freed up space in your mailbox while still keeping your older emails available in the saved archive file. And that's how to archive folders in Outlook to free up space.